The 2010 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, speed control. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, telescopic steering wheel, leather shift knob, overhead console. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Your new ride is just a phone call away.